And today we're about to get down to business. That's right, we're talking about making that cash money, but not just any way. I'm about to drop 20 side hustle ideas that you can start from your own home. Whether you're a craft master, a tech whiz, or just looking for a creative outlet, I got something for you. Get those creative juices flowing because we're diving into a world of DIY projects that can turn your skills into serious profit. Let's go! First up, unleash your inner artist with ceramic or air-dry clay. Next, add a personal touch with custom stationery sets. Let's turn those plain totes into hand-painted masterpieces. Time to mix up some magic with homemade lip tints and glosses. Celebrate in style with handmade fabric banners and garlands. Spread some cheer with seasonal wreaths for every occasion. Who can resist a cake or cookie decorating kit? Nobody, that's who. Press some flowers and create unique laminated bookmarks. Design custom recipe books. Your culinary creations await. Concoct luxurious face serums and skincare oils. Sculpted fridge magnets are about to take over your kitchen. Create printable worksheets to make learning fun for kids. Design custom labels and tags for a professional touch. Craft memorable wedding favors for the happy couple. Hand-stamped metal jewelry, personalized to perfection. Freshen up with DIY home fragrance sprays and linen spritzers. Put together all-in-one DIY craft kits for endless fun. So reusable snack bags, good for the planet and your wallet. Create stunning mosaic art and coasters. Design and sell digital fonts and clip art online. So there you have it, 20 awesome things you can make at home and start selling today. Get creative and start your own business right from your living room. From handmade treasures to digital downloads, the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing ideas. Until next time, peace out.